3 is Lexmark B2236dw monochrome compact laser printer. Are you searching for a top quality printer that can help your small business operate more efficiently? If so, look no further than the Lexmark B2236dw monochrome compact laser printer. One of the standout features of this printer is its compact size. It can fit comfortably into any small office space, making it an ideal choice for businesses with limited space. Despite its small footprint, the B2236dw can print up to 36 pages per minute, allowing you to handle high-volume printing jobs quickly and easily. With a 1 GHz processor and 256 megabytes of memory, it can handle even the most demanding printing tasks with ease. The B2236dw's two-line LCD display is another noteworthy feature. It provides real-time status updates and menu options, allowing you to troubleshoot any issues that arise quickly. The printer offers both Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, as well as USB, making it easy to print from various devices and locations. In addition, the B2236dw supports both Linux and Windows operating systems, which means that you can easily integrate it into your existing systems and workflows. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for small businesses that require a wide range of printing capabilities. So if you are interested in this printer, then check out the link given in the description to purchase it.